Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Outlook and going straight to the View tab so you can change layout elements now. Select the folder you use most because changes apply visually and help you test immediately. Click Layout in the ribbon to reveal reading pane and folder pane controls. Set the reading pane to right, bottom, or off to control message preview space. This changes how quickly you scan emails. Once set, make sure your main navigation is visible, so subsequent adjustments match how you actually work. Once you have the reading pane arranged, customize the folder pane to free up space or speed access. Choose normal, minimized, or off depending on screen width. Then open View settings to reorder columns, change sorting, and toggle compact versus single-line views so message density matches your workflow. You can also set message preview to 1, 2, or 3 lines and enable or disable conversations to group threads. These choices reduce clutter or surface context quickly. Make incremental changes and review immediately to ensure readability. To finish, use Change View to pick or save a layout you like and pin that view for reuse. Dock or hide the to-do bar and people pane to reclaim vertical space and make the message list clearer. Once done, resize columns and panes for final tactile adjustments so everything fits without scrolling. If something looks off later, go to View and choose Reset View to restore defaults. This fixes misconfigurations quickly and gets you back to a predictable workspace without rebuilding settings manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.